Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy MIRAI on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to search box here in the top. And you can search MIRAI. Then you can click this one, MIRAI. And as you can see, this is the chart. It just get list on Binance. And if you want to see the details, you can click info in the top here, and you can see the volume, the high, 24-hour high and low, and others. And if you want to see the audit, you can also see it. And if you want to trade it, you can just simply click trade here, and then you can trade your MIRAI with limit or instant. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.